Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video here showing you how to route the OBDII cable on our Alfa JB4. There's two ways to do it. I'm going to show you what we refer to as the quick way right now, and later we'll make a video showing you the clean way. For the quick way, you'll just plug the OBDII in, right into the port. The included cable will just run right through the door jamb, through here, along there, and you just pop it in here, right into the JB4 harness. You note that there's an orientation on it, so there's a locking tab on the connector. You'll need to make sure that you slide it in so that this retaining tab goes over the connector. And that's it. All you have to do is upload the JB4 firmware that has CAN bus enabled, and you'll have full CAN bus active. Now notice with the Alfa, it's a little easier to update it with your phone next to the device itself. You can just leave it sitting right over here. Inside the car, you don't always get the full strength signal, and the update may not complete, in which case you'll have to come back out here to do it again. Stay tuned for more videos and info.